Hey, Mike from Iron Nation Garage. I'm going to show you guys one of the bikes I test rode today. 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide base model. I'm going to go over a couple things quick with what I liked and what I didn't like. Let's check it out. All right, so this is a 2025 Road Glide base model, 117 cubic inch engine. What I really liked about it, the pickup, the power, the engine, very, very nice. The sound system, very nice. The handling, very nice. The screen display, very clear. And also just the overall ride was very, very nice. The pickup, the torque was unbelievable. Reminded me of the older Buells from the late 90s that Harley had. Just the power was incredible. I think the exhaust could be a little bit louder. I think they're a little louder on the CVOs. They would not allow for me to ride a CVO, so that was a negative. I guess that's a Harley-Davidson policy in maybe some dealerships, but I could not ride a CVO because they don't want to put miles on them. What I did not like, I will show you, is down here, which if any of you guys follow Harley-Davidson, this is another Harley-Davidson cost-cutting method. They don't give you the rear shifter, they just give you the front. On any bagger, typically Harley for years always had the front shifter and the back shifter. Even on Softails, my year 2000 Softail has it, the forward controls. They don't have it on this one. That's a negative for me on Harley-Davidson, just trying to save money. They want you to buy the rear shifter because they want you to spend the money, and they're saving money on the bike overall when it goes out into production. So that's a negative. Do not like that whatsoever. Obviously, price too on these things are extremely expensive. I don't have the ticket price on this one here in front of me, but I know the CVOs are up around 50-something thousand, and these are probably in the 30s. So, bags are very nice, and again, overall handling. I have my pros and my cons on this thing. All in all, a nice bike. Yeah, so if you guys have any comments you'd like to put in the comments, let me know. We'll respond back to them. Thanks, and have a great day.